Is this your first year here? Give us a little bit of insight into the experience.
This is my first time here. Okay, so the experience has been great, and the visitors have been pretty much interested in the products, and even the staff here is quite helpful. So it's been overall a very good experience.
That's great. So the delegates are really receiving the products well?
Yeah, yeah.
Great. So do you think that this is something that you would do again?
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Great. Thank you very much for your time. What is your feedback on GIDS 2012? What has the delegate reception been? How many years have you been participating? Do you think you'd participate again?
First of all, let me just tell you that this is the second time or third time we are participating. Second time we are participating, and we are very excited with the kind of audience that we have served so far. And yes, definitely we'll be participating next year.
That's great.
Yeah.
Great. And the delegates, I mean, how are they receiving the products? Are you getting a lot of feedback, a lot of interest?
Yes.
Exactly the kind of a product we have. We are basically a software protection company. The reason to be here, the kind of a platform, it's focusing on software developers and the hierarchical in the software industries, right, Abhishek?
Right. So the challenges that currently software developers face, we are absolutely addressing those challenges. So we are also excited. The delegates, the audience, they are also excited about the solution that we offer. And so far it's been a great event for us.
That's great. Well, thank you very much for your insight, and take care. Great. Bye. Thank you.
Body's like, hey, it's time to wake up.
All right. Well, I'm Tori. I'm from Salt Marsh Media. I just want to ask you, how's your experience at GIDS been? How receptive did you find the audience? And I mean, how do you think you contributing is kind of being received by the Indian developer community?
Well, this is my second time back in Bangalore in 3 months, so this is the second chance that I've had to interact with the Indian development community here in Bangalore, and directly. I'm like really impressed, right? I mean, the questions which I got after my talk were really, they showed that people were really tuned into my talk, and I love that. You know, I'm here to show the stuff that I've been working on passionately for like the last year and a half with the rest of my team back in Toronto. So. Yeah, I was really happy with like the how knowledgeable people were. They understood like the purpose of what I was selling, and well, not selling actually. We're an open source project. I shouldn't use that word. People back at Red Hat wouldn't like me using that. But no, it was good. I really did enjoy coming out here again. It's really awesome to see that there's this whole other community out here of developers that I think we don't really get to interact with back home. We typically going to all these conferences in North America and Europe, and there's this whole other group of people out here in India that I think that I look forward to in the coming years interacting with a lot more. So yeah, I hope I can come back next year.
So worthwhile experience then.
Yeah, totally.
Perfect, great. Well, thank you very much for your insight. Take care. Cheers. Well. Now, I just want to ask you about your GIDS experience. How do you feel? How receptive do you think that the audience has been? What is your kind of roadmap for the Indian developer community? Do you think you'd be coming back again?
Great question. We have been here today, and I think firstly I'm kind of staggered how many people are here. I heard that there's kind of 1,000 fresh people coming in every day. That to me is quite incredible. I did a speech, a little talk about our approach to the developer community and open content and APIs, and the audience was engaged. And for us, finding a global approach to content and sharing data is really key. And so being here has been amazing. And I'm hoping we're going to see some action from our Indian developer ecosystem, and we'll be back for sure.
Fantastic, that's great. So where are you from, Tom? London. From which company?
From Pearson. I should have said that at the beginning. So we for us we're a traditional. We were viewed as a traditional media company, and we are now a services company, and we have a huge education and business and consumer publishing arm, and really technology drives everything that does, and how we work with the developer system is just kind of absolute key to our future. So finding people here and its talent and its ideas, it's been amazing.
Fabulous. And how receptive were the audience to your talk? How did?
Yeah, they were really involved. So I don't know if you have video and you can't prove me wrong, but I think they were enjoying it. And we had some good questions at the end and really insightful questions, actually. So I'm hoping we found some people to work with.
That's fantastic. Well, thank you very much for your time. Okay.